Hi and welcome to my new channel, Boris Art. I'm Boris Huguenel, I'm a French painter and I'm painting over 30 years in oil. Some of you may know me from a French channel that is already in place, La peinture à l'huile, c'est pas difficile. My painting style is very impressionistic. This channel will be about painting landscapes, seascapes, maybe some portraits, some still lives, but all in an impressionistic modern style. Some call it impressionistic realistic. Anyway, in the style that I paint, and so towards the end of the video there will be some samples of what you may find on this channel. So this being a new channel, I'm only allowed to feature 15 minutes long videos. So if you would like to see more and full-length videos, then I would ask you to give me a thumb up and to share, please. The thumbs gets us in the YouTube algorithm and places us higher in as a ranking, I suppose. I'm not entirely sure how this works. I just know that the more thumbs I will get and the quicker I will be able to feature longer videos, etc., etc. So this is an example that you'll find on my video. And hopefully we'll be able to have some full-length tutorial where I can guide you to paint a landscape like this, or my latest I'm working on my Patreon channel is a portrait. But you also find some tips, some tricks, I will do some reviews and so forth. I'm also having a retreat here in the Dordogne where you can come and learn how to paint in a plein air environment. So I'm a plein air instructor here in the Dordogne, and we will feature some plein air paintings here on this channel as well. It may be actually that this will be the main topic of our channel, but we'll see how it will progress and what the demand is, etc., etc., as I want to please you all. So without further ado, I will let you discover a little mix-match of what you could find on this channel. If you like it, so please give me a thumbs up, share the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon in my next tutorial. Please enjoy the few samples that you will find on this channel, and I'll see you soon.